Good morning, students. This is Raj Kumar Yadav, and today I am going to, make you learn how to solve the differential equation of linear type. Right? The type is given here to solve the first order, right? First order differential equation of the type this dy by dx py is equals to q. How we solve these type of equation, we are going to learn about that. So guys, you can see that I have taken a question of that type, but first of all you have to write two formulas for that. For that, here we can see that what is that p and q. P and q can be constants, or you can say it can be a function of x only, right? If it is given like there in this question, this p is 2, you can see there, this is the constant, or either it can be the q can be a function of x also. So this type of equation, how we go to solve that, that is the for that we have a formula, integrating factor. This is denoted by if, and how we find e to the power p into dx integration of p into dx, right? So this is you can see there, if you can again, and the solution for that is y into integrating factor is equals to q into integrating factor into dx plus c, right? So we have the solution. This is the solution for this differential equation, this type of differential equation, right guys? So now I am going to calculate the first of all integrating factor. That is, we know that e to the power, what is that? E to the power p into dx, right? What is p? You can see that p is 2 and q is equals to sin x. You can see there. So guys, we can put that p is 2 into dx. What is the integration of 2 into dx? Can you see that? What is the integration of p e to the power integration of 2 into dx? That is obviously 2 into x, right? So we put that integrating factor here and here. We have the formula to get this solution, right? So I'm going to write that the solution y into, according to formula, e to the power 2x is equals to, right, what is q? That is sin x into integrating factor, that is e to the power 2x, and what is that? C, you can say, and dx. Now we have to integrate that. So first of all you should take as I. You have to integrate this, so you should take this as I. So I have taken this as I. So what is that? Sin x into e to the power 2x into dx. Now I am going to integrate that. You can integrate yourself also, but this is second and this is first, by parts. I am going to do that with the help of the by parts rule. What is that? You have to have sin x the first part as it is. You know all the things, right? Minus e to the power 2x upon 2, the cos x, differentiation of sin x. Now you are taking this upon 2, 1 upon 2 is there. Now again you can put that formula, the first and second by parts, like, so you have that formula cos x as it is, e to the power 2x upon 2 minus differentiation of cos x, that is always we have minus sin x and e to the power 2x upon 2 dx. It becomes I, you can see easily. So it sin x into e to the power 2x upon 2 minus 1 upon can see there we can have 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 4 into I. This whole is I. We have taken this I. So it will, brought here in the left hand side, so that we can write, I plus 1 upon 4I, and you have e to the power 2x into sine x upon 2 minus 1 upon 4 cos x into e to the power 2x, right? Only we have to solve this now, and what is that? You can see there. 4 by 4, 5I upon 4 is equals to all that e to the power 2x sine x upon 2 minus 1 upon 4 cos x e to the power 2x, right? And now the 4 will go there and 5 will be there. So you have this I now. What is that? 4 upon 5 in all that. This one, right? Again, this value of I must be placed there in that one, right? And you should put that value I here, and you got the answer. So like that we can do this type of equation, that is first order linear differential equation. We can solve that. So thank you guys. You can do this exercise 9.6 here, and if you have any problem in any question, you can ask me for more videos on that. I will send you, right? Thank you.